Hey guys, it's Paola from WTI, and this is the aluminum gold frame mirror from TETOTE. It is beautiful and versatile, and you're gonna want it in many different rooms. This aluminum frame is rust proof, so you can definitely put it in your bathroom if that's where you're needing a mirror. I needed one right here in my living room because it was a dark space and I really wanted to reflect light back. I love that it is flush with the wall. It looks so classy, and it came with everything you need to hang up. In reality, it was up in a few minutes. The thing that took us the longest was actually leveling it, but that's my husband's fault. So if you want a really nice modern looking mirror, this one has HD glass. You can tell it is really great quality immediately. There's no distortion of any sort. And you can hang it vertical or horizontal, so that makes it even more versatile. Overall, I think you're going to love this mirror, so don't hesitate ordering from TETOTE. They have black, gold, silver, bronze, all kinds of different colors if you really want to get very specific with your decor. If you have been shopping for a mirror and have been wondering if you can order one online, you can. And if anything happens during shipping, you don't have to worry. TETOTE is 100% all about customer satisfaction. So get yourself one of these high quality mirrors. But that's just my point of view.